to Gandhinagar, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a short while from now will be inaugurating India's first international stock exchange.
Meghwal ji with other dignitaries have arrived. Please welcome them with thunderous applause. Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. India, the heaven for those wanting to invest, and vibrant Gujarat, the state highly sought after for the same. To create a world-class city with great infrastructure for finance professionals from across the world, Gift City project was conceptualized and started by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Along with other finance giants, Honorable Modi ji invited Asia's first and fastest stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, to set up an international exchange at Gift City. During the Vibrant Gujarat 2015, BSE signed an MOU with Government of Gujarat for setting up this exchange. And today, one day prior to the Vibrant Gujarat 2017, India International Exchange is ready to be inaugurated. On this auspicious occasion of inauguration of India's first international exchange, India INEX, on behalf of BSE and Gift City, I once again extend a very, very warm welcome to distinguished dignitaries on the dais, respected guests, invitees, delegates, trading members, brokers, government officials, representatives, and friends from press and electronic media. We begin by welcoming the dignitaries. I request MD Gift, Shri Ajay Pandey, to kindly welcome Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji with bouquet of flowers. Hello. Sorry. I also request MD and CEO BSE Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to kindly welcome Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to also welcome all the dignitaries on the dais. Shri Vijay Rupani, Honorable Chief Minister, Gujarat. Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, Honorable Union Minister of State, Finance and Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Shri UK Sinha ji, Chairman, SEBI. Thank you very much. I now invite BSE Chairman Shri Sudhakar Rao to give the welcome address. Shri Sudhakar Rao.
Namaskar and a very good evening to all of you. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani ji, Honorable Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, and Chairman of the International Financial Services Center, IFSC Task Force, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, Shri UK Sinha, Chairman SEBI, Dr. J.N. Singh, Chief Secretary, Government of Gujarat, Shri Sudhir Mankad, Chairman, Gift City, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to welcome you all to this momentous event today, the inauguration of the India International Exchange. I must in particular mention the presence of international financial institutions like the Deutsche Börse Eurex, CME, DGCX, Euroclear, Clearstream, China Haitong Securities, and S&P Dow Jones Index in today's gathering. True to BSE's heritage of being India's and Asia's first stock exchange, we have taken the initiative to set up the first international exchange in IFSC. This is because we believe in the potential that the new exchange and IFSC have to transform India's financial market landscape. As already mentioned, it was in 2013 that respected Shri Modi ji, as Chief Minister of Gujarat, invited BSE to set up an international exchange in IFSC. The BSE board, then headed by Shri S. Ramadorai, readily accepted this invitation. The next significant step was the signing of an MOU to this effect in Vibrant Gujarat 2015. It is therefore a matter of special pride for us that today, in less than 2 years from then, the Honorable Prime Minister is inaugurating the new exchange, Vibrant Gujarat 2017. In reaching this watershed, we have benefited enormously from the support made available to us across the spectrum by many people and institutions. To elaborate, a state-of-the-art smart city established by GIFT authorities and enabled by the government of Gujarat under the personal guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister, strong support from policymakers spearheaded by IFSC Task Force under the leadership of Honorable Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, cautious, well-introspected, but encouraging support from the regulators, in particular SEBI, RBI, Ministries of Finance and Corporate Affairs, and Commerce in the formulation of new norms for the new exchange while ensuring necessary safeguards, and unstinted encouragement and wholehearted support of the BSE board, our members, banks, infrastructure builders, particularly the Hiranandani Group and BSE management. Needless to say, today we are taking only the initial steps towards what all stakeholders hope and believe will be a game changer in the Indian financial sector. Eventually, through the India International Exchange, we hope to be price setters and not price takers for our own currency, to be a dependable and reliable source in catering to cross-border demand for financial services, to ease fundraising for Indian entrepreneurs from global markets, among others. Incidentally, INX will also support the Skill India mission, and I am very happy to inform you that we intend to skill and make employable 20,000 youth for the financial sector over the next 5 years. We recognize that we still have a long way to go to be competitive with global exchanges. We will have to evolve and strive constantly to improve the ease of doing business in the exchange, offer world-class infrastructure and services to incentivize market participants to partner with us, and adopt best practices from not just other global exchanges, but also their financial ecosystem, and regularly update the state-of-the-art technology that we already have in place. And in doing this, we will depend on the support and empathy of the regulators and policymakers on a continuing basis. Of crucial importance would be the support and blessings of the Honorable Prime Minister for the success of this venture and the significant contribution it can make to the Indian economy. On behalf of BSE, its board and management, I can assure the Honorable Prime Minister and this august gathering and all participating members, regulatory and supervisory entities that we will ensure the highest levels of transparency, governance, compliance, and adopt global best practices as we go ahead. I thank you all, and in particular the respected Prime Minister, for being with us today on this special occasion. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Honorable Modi ji had the vision of setting up a global financial center at par with the leading international financial centers such as London, Hong Kong, Singapore, and New York. Let us have a look at the Indian Inks through audio-visual presentation.
धर्मस्य मूलम अर्थ, सुखस्य मूलम dharma. India, the most powerful nation on earth. Chanakya, the master strategist and mentor of the great Chandragupta Maurya Empire, unified India to fight oppressive invaders and established good governance through a book that has become a manifesto for administrators, Arthashastra. Centuries later, India is once again witnessing resurgence, spearheaded by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Presenting the India International Exchange at Gift City's International Financial Services Center. India INX will serve as the ultimate exchange for the world to trade safely, efficiently, transparently, with better regulations and liquidity. India INX, where India means business.
वाइब्रेंट गुजरात की विकास गति को मजबूत और तेज करने की जिम्मेवारी जिन्होंने संभाली है, ऐसे हमारे गुजरात के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री विजयभाई रूपाणी से निवेदन है, आप प्रसंगोचित उद्बोधन करें। आदरणीय श्री विजयभाई रूपाणी।
भारत के करोड़ों लोगों के हृदय सम्राट और जिन्होंने एक निडरता के साथ ऐसे बड़े बड़े कदम देश के हित के लिए उठाए हैं, ऐसे हमारे प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी, भारत सरकार के राज्य कक्षा के फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर आदरणीय अर्जुन मेघवाल जी, बीएससी के चेयरमैन सुधाकर राव जी, सेबी के चेयरमैन सिन्हा जी, गिफ्ट सिटी के चेयरमैन सुधीर माकड़ जी, चीफ सेक्रेटरी जयंत सिंह जी, उपस्थित भाई और बहनों, वाइब्रेंट गुजरात का 8वीं श्रृंखला के प्रारंभ के पूर्व संध्या पर इस सुंदर गिफ्ट सिटी के लिए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जिन्होंने ये सपना संजोया था, और वो जब हमारे मुख्यमंत्री थे तभी ये गिफ्ट सिटी और इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल सेंटर यहां खड़ा हो और दुनिया का पूरा कारोबार यानी कि इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड यहां से पूरी दुनिया में हो, और भारत के सबसे पहला ये इंडिया का इंटरनेशनल एक्सचेंज का जो शुभारंभ हो रहा है, गुजरात के लिए ये सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि गुजरात की गांधीनगर की भूमि पर ये भारत का पहला ये इंडिया इंटरनेशनल एक्सचेंज बीएससी द्वारा जो चालू हो रहा है, उसका शुभारंभ प्रधानमंत्री के कल कमलों से हो रहा है। तो हमारे गुजरात के लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है। मैं जानता हूं कि बीएससी में और ये इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड में સૌથી વધારે ગુજરાતીઓ કામ કરે છે, અને ગુજરાતીઓ અને ભારતના એ ઇન્ટરનેશનલ ટ્રેડ કરવાવાળા લોકો સિંગાપુર, હોંગકોંગ, દુબઈ એ પોતાની ઓફિસો રાખવી પડતી હતી, પરંતુ હવે અહીંયા ગુજરાતની ધરતી ઉપર હું વિચારતો હતો કે નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મુખ્યમંત્રી હતા અને ત્યારે એમના મગજમાં આ ડ્રીમ એ ગિફ્ટ સિટીનું કે અહીંથી આખી ફાઇનાન્શિયલ બધી વ્યવસ્થાઓ અહીંથી બને અને આ સ્ટોક એક્સચેન્જની સાથે કોમોડિટી એક્સચેન્જ, ઇન્ટરનેશનલ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ, international financial business firms, offshore banking, global trading exchange, KPO, BPO સર્વિસીસ, આવી બધી સર્વિસીસ અહીંથી થાય અને અહીંથી આખી દુનિયાના બધા એક્સચેન્જો સાથે બધા બિઝનેસ કરે. આ સ્વપ્ન, આ ડ્રીમ જેમનું હતું અને ભગવાને પણ જેમને આ જે એમના નિમિત્ત બનાવીને કરાવવાનું નક્કી કર્યું હશે એને એ પણ ખબર હશે કે ભારતના વડાપ્રધાન નરેન્દ્રભાઈ બનશે અને આ બધી મંજૂરીઓ આ ભારત સરકાર આ આપને આપશે. હું એમ માનું છું કે વિધિની આ બધી નિશ્ચિત યોજનાઓ જાણે બનવાની હોય અને ભવિષ્યનું ભારત એ મહાસત્તા બને, ભવિષ્યનું ભારત, મેક ઇન ઇન્ડિયા, ડિજિટલ ઇન્ડિયા એ બનવાનું હશે અને એના આધાર ઉપર જ જેને કહીએ ને કે સ્વચ્છ ભારતની સાથે સ્વચ્છ ઇકોનોમી, આફ્ટર ડિમોનેટાઇઝેશન આર્થિક પગલાઓ જેટલા જેટલા લેવાઈ રહ્યા છે અને દુનિયામાં ભારતની પ્રતિષ્ઠા એ સ્વચ્છ ઇકોનોમીમાં આગળ વધી રહી છે, ત્યારે આજે જે ઇન્ડિયા ઇન્ટરનેશનલ એક્સચેન્જ અને BSE નો જે શુભારંભ થઈ રહ્યો છે, હું માનું છું કે આવનારા દિવસોમાં આ ગિફ્ટ સિટીના માધ્યમથી 10 લાખથી વધુ લોકોને અહીંયા રોજગારી મળશે, ખૂબ મોટા પ્રમાણમાં અહીંથી કારોબારો થશે અને ગાંધીનગરનું નામ, ગુજરાતનું નામ દુનિયાના નકશા ઉપર ચમકતું બનશે એવી મને પૂર્ણ શ્રદ્ધા છે. અને મને આનંદ છે કે આજે આપણા વડાપ્રધાન નરેન્દ્રભાઈના કમલોથી, એમના હાથોથી આજે આ ઉદ્ઘાટન થઈ રહ્યું છે અને એ પણ વાઇબ્રન્ટ ગુજરાત અને એના પૂર્વ સંધ્યાએ આ થઈ રહ્યું છે, ત્યારે ખરા અર્થમાં ગુજરાત વાઇબ્રન્ટ બનશે એની મને પૂર્ણ શ્રદ્ધા છે અને અમને ખૂબ આનંદ છે કે આજે એનો આરંભ થઈ રહ્યો છે. અહીંયા બેન્કિંગ, ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ, આ બધી કંપનીઓ અહીંયા આવશે, બધાના હેડક્વાર્ટરો બનશે અને ગિફ્ટ સિટી એ પહેલું સિટી એવું હશે કે જે SEZ સાથે જોડાયેલું હશે. અહીંયા આ બધી સુવિધા વર્લ્ડ ક્લાસ હશે અને આ આવનારા દિવસોમાં એક જેને કહીએ કે સ્માર્ટ સિટી તો ભારત બની રહ્યું છે, પરંતુ આ સ્માર્ટેસ્ટ સિટી આ ગિફ્ટ સિટી હશે, એનું ગુજરાતને ગૌરવ રહેશે. અમને ખૂબ આનંદ છે અને આજે એનો શુભારંભ થઈ રહ્યો છે. આપ બધાને ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું અને આ BSE દ્વારા અહીંથી વધુ ને વધુ એક્સચેન્જો સાથે, દુનિયાભરના એક્સચેન્જો સાથે કામ થતું રહે અને ભારતનો વેપાર ખૂબ વધે તેવી શુભેચ્છા. ખૂબ ખૂબ ભારત સરકારનો આભાર માનું છું, માનનીય વડાપ્રધાનનો અને નાણામંત્રીનો પણ આભાર માનું છું. જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત, ભારત માતા કી જય.
ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનનીય મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી. Today is a special moment for the Gift City. We have the conceptualizer of Gift City with us today. We wish to make it memorable by presenting him the key to the city. The key to the city is given to a distinguished visitor in recognition of his eminence and services to mankind. Shri Narendra Modi is a visionary who dreams of a modern India. GIFT is a symbol of his dream to create a global financial center with modern infrastructure and technology capability as good as the best in the world. I request Shri Sudhir Mankad, Chairman Gift City, to present the key of Gift City to Honorable Prime Minister. Sir, Gift is your city. Team Gift is proud to present key to the Gift City to Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thank you. World over, the gong ceremonies are held for several reasons. One of them is to mark the stock market success. The gong ceremony is a symbol of a ritual to inaugurate and celebrate the success. I request MD and CEO BSE Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to kindly present the hammer to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. The vibrations of the sound of a gong represents the ripple effect in the universal energy. Sir, hit the gong strong. Announce the beginning of a new era. Let the vibration spread around and last forever. Friends, join us in the countdown. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Thank you very much. A man who gave greater direction to Indian economy than whatever was done in 67 years. A visionary and courageous mentor for a well-developed India. A personality admired within India and across the globe immensely. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the sculptor of modern India, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I request Honorable Modi ji to kindly address the august audience.
Chief Minister of Gujarat, Sri Vijay Rupani ji, Union Minister of State, Sri Meghwal ji, Chairman SEBI, Sri UK Sinha ji, Chairman Gift City, Sri Sudhir Makar ji, Chief Secretary Dr. J.N. Singh, Chairman BSE, Sri Sudhakar Rao, ladies and gentlemen, ગુજરાત ભરમાંથી પધારેલા મારા ભાઈઓ અને બહેનો, કેમ છો? I'm delighted to be here at Gift City to inaugurate India's first international stock exchange, that is the India International Exchange. Indeed, it is a momentous occasion for India's financial sector. As you are aware, this project took shape in the year 2007. The vision was to create a world-class finance and IT zone for India to provide services not only to India, but the entire world. In those days, and now, wherever I went, I would meet some of the top financial brains of those countries, whether in New York, London, Singapore, Hong Kong, or Abu Dhabi. I would find many of them to be of Indian origin. I was impressed by their understanding of the financial world and also their contribution to their adopted countries. I used to think, how can we bring this talent back and at the same time provide leadership to the entire financial world? Indians have a long tradition in mathematics. India invented the concept of zero and the decimal system more than 2000 years ago. It's no accident that Indians are now at the forefront of information technology and finance. Both are areas of knowledge where zero plays a crucial role. When the GIFT City was conceptualized, our Chief Minister of Gujarat, technological progress has accelerated manifold. We had world-class talent of Indian origin working in India and abroad. India had a leadership position in information technology. Finance was being increasingly married to technology. It was becoming very clear to us that finance combined with technology, or fintech, as it is sometimes called, would be an important part of India's future development. I deliberated a lot with experts about how to make India a thought leader in the field of finance. It was clear that we would need to have the base facilities and the ability to transact in all markets in the world. GIFT City was born out of this vision. Our aim was to provide world-class facilities to India's world-class talent in finance and technology. Today, with the inauguration of this exchange, we have reached an important landmark in achieving that vision. I had visited the Bombay Stock Exchange in June 2013 for a book launch. At that time, I had invited BSE to set up a world-beating international stock exchange. In the year 2015, during the Vibrant Gujarat event, they signed an MOU with Government of Gujarat. Today, I'm delighted to be here to inaugurate the new India International Exchange. It is an important milestone, not just for GIFT City, but for India in creating 21st century infrastructure. I'm told this exchange will trade in equity, commodities, currencies, and interest rate derivatives in the first phase. Later, it will trade equity, instruments of Indian and foreign companies. I'm told masala bonds will also be available for trading here. Many more companies from Asia, Africa, and Europe should be able to raise funds from this important international finance center. This exchange is said to be among the fastest exchanges in the world with most modern trading, clearing, and settlement systems. India is in an excellent time zone between West and East. It can provide financial services through the day and night to the entire world. The exchange, I am told, will work 22 hours a day, starting when the Japanese market start and closing when US markets close. यानी कि सूर्योदय से सूर्यास्त तक जहां जहां कारोबार चलता जाएगा, इस गिफ्ट सिटी से उसके साथ अपना फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटी चलती रहेगी। हमें लोकेशन का बहुत बड़ा फायदा है। हम ईस्ट और वेस्ट दोनों को कैटर कर सकते हैं और इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को देखते ही देखते आपको लगेगा कि हम किस प्रकार से विश्व में अपनी स्थिति बना देते हैं। आई एम श्योर दिस एक्सचेंज विल सेट न्यू स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस एंड स्पीड ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन across time zones. This exchange is a part of the International Financial Services Center, IFSC, at GIFT City. The concept of an International Financial Service Center is simple but powerful. It aims to provide onshore talent with an offshore technological and regulatory framework. This is to enable Indian firms to compete on an equal footing with offshore financial centers. GIFT City, IFSC, will be able to provide facilities and regulations comparable to any other leading international finance centers in the world. It is not easy to create an offshore-like environment in a large country like India with a huge domestic market. India cannot be compared to small states. Such countries have very small local markets and hence can afford to have special favorable tax and regulatory regimes. Large countries cannot do the same. Creating an offshore-like center within a large country like India, therefore, did pose regulatory challenges. I am glad that the Ministry of Finance, the Revenue, the Reserve Bank, and SEBI have found solutions to the regulatory issues. There has been criticism for long that a lot of trading, even in Indian financial instruments, is currently taking place abroad. It is said that India has stopped becoming the price setter for even Indian financial instruments. GIFT City will be able to mitigate many of these criticisms. But my vision for GIFT City is larger. My vision is that in 10 years from now, GIFT City should become the price setter for at least a few of the largest traded instruments in the world. Whether in commodities, currencies, equities, interest rates, or any other financial instrument. India needs to create 30 crore new jobs. 30 crore new jobs over the next 20 years. It is a huge endeavor. Skilled and well-paying jobs in service sector will have to be a part of this job revolution. Indian youth can do it. The international exposure which our youth will be able to get from GIFT City will ensure that more and more of them will be able to join this important field. I urge Indian companies, exchanges, and regulators to help create a pool of experience and world-beating finance professionals. They can work out of this great new city and provide services to the entire world. Over the next 10 years, I expect this city to generate several lakh jobs. You are aware of the importance I attach to the development of smart cities. GIFT City is the first ground up truly smart city in the country. All the 100 smart cities will do well to understand how GIFT City has been able to create its underground infrastructure which can compete with the best in the world. I've said before that India can become a developed country in one generation. New cities will be important in creating the new India of our dreams. A confident India, a prosperous India, an inclusive India, our India. I hereby declare the India International Exchange open. I wish GIFT City and the India International Exchange all the best. Thank you. Avjo. કાલે ફરી મળીશું. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We would like to make this historical moment eternal. I request MD and CEO BSE Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to kindly present a plaque and a painting as token of love and respect to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I request Shri Ashish Kumar ji to also felicitate other dignitaries on the dais by presenting them a memento. Shri Vijay Bhai Rupani, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat. Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, Honorable Union Minister of State, Finance and Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Shri UK Sinha ji, Chairman SEBI. Dr. J.N. Singh, Chief Secretary, Government of Gujarat. Shri Sudhir Mankad, Chairman, GIFT City. Shri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman, BSE. Thank you very much. On behalf of BSE and GIFT City, we express our gratitude towards Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and other dignitaries on the dais for their eminent presence. By thanking one and all, we conclude this inaugural event. Thank you very much. Please note that arrangements are made for light snacks outside the dome.
अभी आप गुजरात के गांधीनगर से हमारी लाइव कवरेज देख रहे थे, जहां पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का उद्घाटन किया गिफ्ट सिटी गांधीनगर में। प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने संबोधन में कहा कि इस सेंटर के माध्यम से हम ईस्ट और वेस्ट में अपनी सेवाएं दे सकते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री ने यह भी कहा कि उनका विजन है कि आने वाले 10 से लेकर 20 सालों में 30 करोड़ नई नौकरियां पैदा हो सकती हैं। और आपको बता दें कि पिछले 2 वर्षों में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट गिफ्ट सिटी के काम में काफ़ी तेज़ी आई है। और इसके अलावा 2017 में NSE और MCX जैसे 2 बड़े एक्सचेंज भी यहाँ से अपने इंटरनेशनल ऑपरेशन शुरू करने वाले हैं। साथ ही साथ कई देशों ने अपनी एम्बेसी ऑफिस खोलने का भी यहाँ पर इरादा किया है और आने वाले समय में रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट्स का भी काम गिफ्ट सिटी में शुरू हो जाएगा।